Child, they done dropped some of the charges against Diddy. Now, Megan Kuniv has posted some things to her Twitter saying that the government is attempting to streamline the jury and that the RICO charge is actually the weakest against Diddy. We had no clue, huh? Let's get into it. Hey, it's Goldie, and I'm back with another video. So we have some breaking news in the federal case against Diddy. We have that some major charges have been dropped, including attempted kidnapping, attempted arson under the California law, as well as aiding and abetting sex trafficking. Now, we know that yesterday both the defense and the prosecution rested their cases, as well as the defense filed for Rule 29 to have the case totally thrown out. And I don't believe the judge has ruled on that just yet. We are awaiting jury instructions for the jury to begin their deliberations. And this breaking news just comes at a huge surprise. Just a shocking surprise. I mean, I've listened to a few content creators covered this information in the last few minutes, and some of them are so emotional. Oh my goodness, almost in tears. And for those of us that are emotionally invested in this trial, I can understand, the heightened emotions right now. But I just want to bring in just a sense of a little bit of reasoning when it comes to this whole thing that's going on. Now, it's my perspective. This is just my perspective. My perspective is that this whole case only was administered, only took place because the federal government or the powers that be or people with the money wanted to get access to those tapes that Diddy had from those freak off parties. Now, you guys know, before this case actually made it into the courtroom, there was all this talk about children being on those tapes, about these big elaborate parties, and everybody was just freaking off. Everybody was freaking off. Of course, they had the white parties, which was family oriented. Children could be there, families, it was a fun, light party. But after the after party, there were these really raunchy, debaucherous freak off sessions. Now, we heard that so many people attended these freak off sessions and names were being named. I mean, we were talking about things akin to what we heard with Epstein and everything like that. So when this case started to unfold in the federal court, I was really surprised that they weren't really getting into any